Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th entire Sanskrit. Lesson number 4. Amulyam Kamalam means the priceless lotus. In previous video we have learned about the translation of first part of first paragraph. Today in this video we have going to learn about the remaining part of this lesson. Let us start with the translation and grammar part of the second part of the first paragraph. उद्यानपालो ब्रवीत एकेन सुवर्णनाणकेन संधि उद्यानपालो ब्रवीत उद्यानपालः plus अब्रवीत and here अब्रवीत is a लंग लकार. अथ स सार्थवाहः यावत्तत कमलं क्रेतुम् इच्छति संधि क्रेतुम् इच्छति क्रेतुं plus इच्छति इच्छति the basic root इश इच्छ लट लकार. तावत् देवापरो धनवान् श्रेष्ठी अपि सुगतदर्शनार्थं गच्छन् तत्र समुपस्थितः संधि तावत् देवापरो तावत् plus एव plus अपरः. And in this sentence we find out the gachan word which is kshatri pratyay of basic root gamagacha. Next, nirajamulyam pruchantam tam sreshtinam udyanapalo bruta संधि उद्यानपालो ब्रूत उद्यानपालः plus अब्रूत. एष महाभाग एकं सुवर्णनाणकम् एतस्यार्थे दातुम् इच्छति एतस्यार्थे एतस्य plus अर्थे दातुम् इच्छति दातुं plus इच्छति. श्रेष्ठी अगदत् अहं 10 सुवर्णनाणकानि यच्छामि अगदत् लंग लकार. सार्थवाहो भणत् संधि सार्थवाहः plus अभणत् अहं 100 सुवर्णनाणकानि प्रयच्छामि प्रयच्छामि लट् लकार. तयोर्विवादं श्रुत्वा सुदासो व्यमृशत् यस्य कृते एतौ कमलम् एतत् क्रेतुम् इच्छतः नूनं स सुगत एवाधिकतमं मूल्यं मह्यं दद्यात् इति. संधि तयोर्विवादं तयोः plus विवादं सुदासो व्यमृशत्. Here only we change the o into visarga. सुदासः plus व्यमृशत् कमलं एतत् कमलं plus एतत् क्रेतुम् इच्छतः क्रेतुं plus इच्छतः एवाधिकतमं एव plus अधिकतमं. Okay, and in verb श्रुत्वा is a पूर्वकाल वाचक धातु साधित द्वांत अव्यय of basic root shru. Next, व्यमृशत् is a लंग लकार. इच्छतः लट लकार. दद्यात् विधिलिंग form of the basic root da which is from third class tritiya gan. And क्रेतुम is a हेत्वार्थक धातु साधित तुमंत अव्यय. The form of the basic root kri which is from ninth class navam gan. Okay, understood? Next sentence. अतः सः उद्यानपालस्तावभाषत् नैतत् भो विक्रेतुम् इच्छामि इति। संधि उद्यानपालस्तावभाषत। उद्यानपालः प्लस तौ प्लस अभाषत। नेतत् न प्लस एतत् एंड विक्रेतुम् इच्छामि विक्रेतुम् प्लस इच्छामि। य विक्रेतुम् हेतुपर्थक धातुसाधित तुमंत अव्यय of the basic root V plus क्री। Students, here remember that we learn the two form of the basic root क्री in हेतुपर्थक धातुसाधित तुमंत अव्यय and those are opposite of each other. First, क्रेतुम means for purchase and second one vikretum means for sale. These two words are opposite words. In this first paragraph, we see some words are highlighted. These are Vyanjanantaha means the words which are ending with consonants. This topic we will learn in our grammar part. And one more thing. Now we turn towards the translation of this paragraph. Before it, in previous video, we have learned that gardener Sudas was happy when a lotus had blossomed in the lake in his garden in winter. So normally lotus do not blossom in winter and this was an unusual event. So Sudas thought that he could sell it for a handsome price. When the one merchant asked about this lotus, then he said, Udyanapalaha abravit ekena suvarnananakena. The gardener said, for 1 gold coin. Atha sah sarthavahaha yavat tat kamalam kretumichchati tavat eva aparah dhanvan sreshti api सुगतदर्शनार्थम गच्छन् तत्र समुपस्थितः. Here, the meaning of the word Dhanvan Sreshti as similar meaning of the word Sarthavahaha. It means rich merchant. Okay. Then, just as that merchant was willing to buy that lotus, another merchant arrived there who was going to see Lord Sugat. नीरजमूल्यं पृच्छन्तं तं श्रेष्ठिनम् उद्यानपालः अब्रूत. The gardener said to the merchant who was asking the price, एषः महाभागः एकं सुवर्णनाणकम् एतस्य अर्थे दातुम् इच्छति. महाभागः means fortunate. This fortunate one wishes to give 1 gold coin for it. Sreshti agadat. The merchant said, Aham dasha suvarna nanakani yachhami. I shall give 10 gold coins. Sarthavahaha abhanat. Now, here remember that in last 3 sentences, we take the meaning of verb abruta, agadat, abhanat are same. It means to say and these verbs are in lang lakar. So we take the meaning said or told. Okay, understood? The next sentence. Tayoho vivadam shrutva Sudasah vyamrushat. Listening to their dispute, Sudas thought, Yasya krute etau kamalam etat kretum ichchatah nunam sah sugatah eva adhikatamam mulyam mayyam tadyat iti. Indeed, that Sugat for whom these two wish to buy this lotus would give me the highest price. Okay, in this sentence we find out the indeclinable word krute. Krute means for the sake of. This indeclinable belongs to Shashti Vibhakti. Indeclinable Krute expects Shashti Vibhakti of the word which are showing the meaning for whom or for what. In this sentence, they show the word yasya with krute. Yasya is the Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan of the form of the basic pronoun yat. Understood? Okay. So next sentence. Atah sah udyanapalah tau abhashat. So the gardener said to them both, न एतद् भोः विक्रेतुमिच्छामि इति. Oh, I do not wish to sell this lotus to you. Okay children, here we completed our translation of the second part of first paragraph. Now we start the grammar part related with these paragraphs. Here I show you glossary, Shabdarthaha, the meanings of various words. Next, Sandhi Vigraha means dissolve the sandhis. Then, Dhatusadhit Avyani, Vibhaktanta Padani. Okay students, now we see the question and answers. The question number 1 is Uchitam Karanam or Paryayam Chitva Vakyam Punarlikhatam. Choose the correct options or reason and rewrite the sentence. The question number 2, Kaha kam vadati. Who said to whom? Question number 3, Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. Write the Sanskrit answer in brief. Question number 4, Vakyam Punarlikhitva Satyam Asatyam Likhata. Mention true or false with given sentence. Question number 5, Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Make the question tag. Question number 6, Chaturtha Padam Likhata. These questions related with Visheshan Visheshyam. Question number 7, Lakaram Likhata. See the verb and write the lakar. Question number 8, Kramena Yojayat means arrange the given sentence in sequence. Okay student, here we completed our question and answers. I hope so you understand translation of this paragraph and related question and answers. Okay children, read and remember the answer of all the questions and revise the topic well. Thank you.